Hey Glowits, welcome back to Pink Glow Diaries, your safe space for all things glow up, soft life, and pretty girl habits. Today, I'm sharing Korean DIY face masks that are gentle, effective, and low-key magical. But fair warning, once your skin starts glowing like this, people will ask questions. Let's get one thing straight. Korean skincare isn't about quick fixes. It's about hydration, nourishment, and consistency. These DIY masks focus on deep hydration, brightening, skin barrier repair. Translation: soft, plump, glowing skin that looks expensive even if your budget isn't. Mask 1: Rice Water Plus Honey Glow Mask. This is the ultimate glow mask Korean girls swear by. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons rice water, 1 tablespoon honey. Benefits: brightens dull skin, smooths texture, gives instant glow. How to use: apply it evenly, leave it for 15 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will literally look like you drink 3 liters of water daily, even if you don't. Mask 2: Yogurt plus Turmeric Brightening Mask. If your skin looks tired, uneven, or just meh, then this one is for you. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, a pinch of turmeric. Benefits: brightens complexion, fades dark spots, gives a soft glow. How to use: apply lightly, leave for 10 minutes. Don't overdo turmeric unless you want to look like a highlighter. We're glowing, not becoming a Snapchat filter. Mask 3: Aloe Vera plus Cucumber Calming Mask. This is for my sensitive skin girls, or anyone whose skin gets angry over everything. Ingredients: fresh aloe vera gel, blended cucumber. Benefits: soothes irritation, reduces redness, hydrates deeply. How to use: apply a thick layer and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. This mask is basically therapy, but for your face. Mask 4: green tea plus honey acne mask. If you're dealing with breakouts but still want that glow, don't skip this. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon brew green tea, 1 teaspoon honey. Benefits: fights acne, reduces inflammation, clears skin gently. Because glowing skin and acne can exist at the same time, but we're fixing that. Mask 5: milk plus oatmeal soft skin mask. This is for that soft, baby skin finish. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon oatmeal. Benefits: gently exfoliates, softens skin, improves texture. After this, your skin will feel like you mind your business and drink water regularly. How to get results fast. Now listen, don't just do one mask and expect miracles. Consistency is where the glow lives. Glow routine: use masks 2 to 3 times a week. Always moisturize after. Drink water. Yes, I said it again. Be gentle with your skin. Try these for a week and come back to this video. I want to hear your results. Which mask are you trying first? Glow it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Glow It gang, because over here, we glow differently.